Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to create emotes to Twitch or create emotes in your Twitch account. So to follow the steps, make sure to stick with us right till the end of this video. First thing first you want to do is open up your browser and type in twitchtv.com and log in into your account. Once logged in, press the profile from the top right inside corner of your screen. Now to create emotes for Twitch, you can follow this simple step. So basically, now ensure that your Twitch partner or affiliated to a streamer. Now if you don't have this, you might not find the following option. Then what next you need to do is go to your Twitch dashboard, or you could go to creators dashboard as well. While you're on this page, look for this option that says viewer reward, which will most probably be located in the left hand side bar. When you go ahead and select that, you need to go to the here you can find this option as emotes. Now in my case, I don't have emotes. The reason is that I am not affiliated to any streamers nor the game. Then what next you need to do is just click the plus button under the desired title, and you need to select the emote subscriber apps as well. Next thing you want to do is click the plus button under the desired tier. Then you need to go and upload your emotes. So basically that's how you could go ahead and create emotes. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.